Good morning everyone, and next proof number 13. If a greater than 0, then prove the if a greater than 0. So here a is positive number, any positive number, then prove the square root of a, square root of a, square root of a, and so on to infinity is equal to a, is equal to a. So square root of a, square root of a, square root of a, and so on infinite times is equal to a. Here remember, here a is greater than 0, here a is greater than 0, so we have to prove this value is equal to this a. Okay, prove. To prove this kind of formulas, so here LHS is square root of a, square root of a, square root of a, and so on how many times? Infinity times. So let us assume, let x is equals to square root of a, square root of a, square root of a, and so on infinity times. Okay, x is equals to square root of a. Now from here to here, square root of a, square root of a, and so on how many times? Uncountable number of times, uncountable number of times. So this value is equal to what? We already considered this value is equal to x. So x is equal to square root of a and remaining square root of a, square root of a, and so on up to infinity. This value is equal to, again, what is the value of this? X. Now x is equal to root ax. Okay, so నేను ఏం చేశాను, ఫస్ట్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ, స్క్వేర్ రూట్ అండ్ సో ఆన్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఏ ని ప్రూవ్ చేయడానికి ఫస్ట్ ఈ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఏమనుకున్నాను, ఏ ఎక్స్ అనుకున్నాను. అగైన్, సో ఇన్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్, ఇన్ దిస్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్, again we have a into square root of a, square root of a, and so on up to how many times? Infinity times. Again this value is equal to what? X. So x. Now to eliminate square root, apply squaring on both sides. Apply squaring on both sides. Apply squaring on both sides. So x square is equal to root over ax whole square. Square root to get cancelled. X square is equal to ax. X square is equal to ax. Now transpose ax. X square minus ax is equals to 0. Positive ax becomes negative ax. Positive ax becomes negative ax. Now what is the common factor here? Here common factor is x. So here one more x is there. Minus a is equal to 0. This product x into x minus a is equal to 0. Either x is equal to 0 or x minus a is equal to 0. This product is equal to 0 when either x is equal to 0 or x minus a is equal to 0. Okay, so x is equal to 0 అయినా అవ్వాలి లేదా x minus a అయినా 0 అవ్వాలి. But here remember here a is greater than 0. Since a is greater than 0, since a greater than 0, this value is always greater than 0. This value is always more than 0. It cannot be equal to 0. So here a is already some positive value greater than 0. So this value must be greater than 0. It cannot be equal to 0. Equal to 0 a chance is. Okay na? Here x cannot be, this value cannot be equal to 0. It means x cannot be equal to, x cannot be, since a greater than 0, x cannot be equal to 0. So this solution is not possible. Only possible solution is x minus a is equal to 0. Transpose minus a, you will get plus a. Therefore x is equal to a. What is x? What is x? X is equal to square root of a, square root of a, square root of a, and so on how many times? And so on infinite times is equal to what? So x is equal to this and this value equal to a. Hence prove. Okay, since a greater than 0, x cannot be equal to 0. X cannot be equal to 0. Only possible case is x minus a is equal to 0.